Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be discussing one of the hottest trending topics of the moment, the rise of cryptocurrency. Before starting the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for such informative content. With the recent surge in the popularity of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, many people are wondering whether it's time to jump on the bandwagon and invest in this new digital asset class. In this video, we will explore the world of cryptocurrency, what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth investing in. Part 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptography is the practice of secure communication in the presence of third parties. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means they are not controlled by any central authority or government. Instead, they are maintained by a network of computers that verify and validate transactions. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Each cryptocurrency has its unique features and uses, but they all share the same fundamental principles. Part 2. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies work using a decentralized ledger called a blockchain. A blockchain is a database that contains all the transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. Each block in the blockchain contains a set of transactions, and each block is connected to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. The blockchain is maintained by a network of computers that runs specialized software called nodes. Nodes are responsible for verifying and validating transactions, which are then added to the blockchain. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it is immutable, which means it cannot be altered or deleted. Part 3. Should you invest in cryptocurrency? Investing in cryptocurrency is a highly controversial topic. On the one hand, some people believe that cryptocurrency is the future of money, and investing in it can bring significant returns. On the other hand, others believe that cryptocurrency is a bubble that will eventually burst, and investing in it is a risky move. There are several factors to consider when deciding whether to invest in cryptocurrency. These include volatility. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, which means their value can fluctuate rapidly. This can lead to significant gains or losses depending on when you buy and sell. Security. Cryptocurrencies are often targeted by hackers and cybercriminals, making them a high-risk investment. Regulation. Cryptocurrencies are not yet regulated in most countries, which means there is a risk that governments could impose strict regulations that could affect their value. Ultimately, the decision to invest in cryptocurrency is a personal one that should be based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and overall investment strategy. Part 4. How to invest in cryptocurrency. If you have decided to invest in cryptocurrency, there are several ways to do so. These include buying cryptocurrency on an exchange. There are numerous cryptocurrency exchanges where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Investing in a cryptocurrency fund. Several investment funds offer exposure to cryptocurrencies, allowing you to invest in a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrencies. Mining cryptocurrency. Mining involves using specialized hardware to validate transactions and earn new cryptocurrency as a reward. Conclusion. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a fascinating and rapidly evolving asset class that has the potential to change the way we think about money. While it's still a highly controversial and risky investment, many people believe that it's worth taking a chance on. Whether you decide to invest in cryptocurrency or not, it's essential to educate yourself about this new digital asset class and stay informed about its developments and challenges. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.